Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Alex, your English teacher, here to help you improve your English speaking and learning skills. Today we're spending a beautiful day in the park. We'll learn new vocabulary and phrases related to outdoor activities. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's learn how to describe the park. This park is beautiful and spacious. There are many trees, benches, and a playground. Let's say it together. This park is beautiful and spacious. Great job. Here we have a big tree. Trees provide shade and make the park look green and fresh. Repeat after me. Big tree. Excellent. And this is a bench. People sit on benches to relax. Let's say bench together. Perfect. Now let's visit the playground. This is where kids love to play. We have a slide, swings, and a climbing frame. Let's learn some new words. Slide, swings, and climbing frame. Say them with me. Slide, swings, climbing frame. Wonderful. While at the park, we can do many activities. For example, you can have a picnic. A picnic is when you bring food and eat it outside. Can you say picnic? Great. Another fun activity is flying a kite. Have you ever flown a kite? It's so much fun. Repeat after me. Fly a kite. Excellent. Many people come to the park for a walk or to jog. Walking and jogging are great exercises. Let's practice saying walk and jog. Your turn. Perfect. You can also ride a bike in the park. Riding a bike is not only fun but also good for your health. Let's say it together. Ride a bike. Fantastic. Some people come to the park to read a book or simply relax. Reading a book in the park is very peaceful. Repeat after me. Read a book. Wonderful. And sometimes, people come to the park to meet friends and have a good time. Let's practice. Meet friends. Excellent. Now let's put it all together in a sentence. You can say, I love going to the park to walk, read a book, and meet friends. Try saying it with me. Great job, everyone. You've learned a lot of new words and phrases today that you can use to describe your day in the park.